MRIN Software has announced an integration with Amazon Ads Demand-Side Platform, DSP. This will allow brands to easily manage, measure, and optimize their Amazon advertising campaigns, from sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display to display, video, and audio ads, all within the MRIN One platform. Amazon DSP enables advertisers to programmatically reach Amazon audiences at scale across Amazon sites and apps as well as leading publisher sites and third-party exchanges. This comprehensive inventory allows brands to connect and engage with new and existing customers with relevant, contextual messages across the consumer journey. Advertisers can choose from multiple formats including display, audio, and streaming TV ads via Fire TV. Amazon is great for the success of retail brands, said Chris Lean, CEO of MRIN Software. By integrating with Amazon DSP, they can now offer their customers access to a broad new set of formats, placements, and audiences to further their Amazon programs and deliver more return on investment within their e-commerce ad spend.